Eurofamily? It's your boy Euro. Good morning, by the way, guys. I know it's been a while since I haven't filmed. I'd like to make a shout out first out to Boostedfiveoh, Swiftyoverload. Boostedfiveoh, he's got a couple of videos of his Mustang. He's got a wicked nice Mustang. Check out his channel. Subscribe to his channel, guys. It's you know, you'll like his videos. He's a growing channel, just like ourselves. He's a small YouTuber, just like ourselves, trying to make it out there. Swiftyoverload is based on some video games, a couple of comic glicks, but mostly on video gaming. Check out my description below, hit it down there. And then you got also RRB. It's another gamer as well. He's got small videos going. Check him out. It's all in my description. But anyways, guys, today you guys wondering what am I doing out here? Check out the weather out here. Boom boom. Oh hell yeah. Got some mad snow. We even got some freezing rain in the process. But what's going on is I'm feeding my animals. As you can see right here, I got some crushed corn with some nice grains all mixed up in there so that my animals can eat good. It's good for the turkeys, good for the ducks, it's good for the chickens. Yeah, man. And I got geese. Got my dad over there. He's working. See? Look at my dad over there, working his butt off. Yeah, man. It's basically what it is, guys. Anyway, wondering like, what's up with the beard, man? Euro, shave your beard. It's weird. But I've been out fishing. I've been out doing some crazy stuff. Those are Chinese geese. Yeah, they're loud. That's a Silkie Chicken. And that's a Silkie Chicken. Oh, hell yeah. That's the 3 mafiosos. Look at them, guys. Look at those roosters. Beautiful looking roosters. Those are my baby ducks. They're mallards. They don't talk. They don't quack. I mean, they make some noise, but they don't quack. They're mute. And then, for the surprise, Tom the turkey. And then you got Frank the chicken, the rooster. Believe it or not, guys, this is the father. Not Tom, but Frank. Frank is the father of those other roosters. I mean, yeah. And that's the mother right there that created those roosters. You got some more. You got a Spanish turkey. You got a palm. He's a royal palm, guys. If you guys didn't know, he's a royal palm turkey. There you go. And he's always the meanest one of them all. Look at that. He's trying to attack me. Oh, what's the matter, Bobo? He's an angry one. Look at him. He's already he always keeps coming back for more, though. Woo! That's all the food, buddy. Go eat. And now I gotta come back for some water for them. You gotta get some clean water. Look. Look. These guys are real big. Look at that. Look at that. Look how big these guys are. They're big puppies. Look at that black Spanish turkey. She's just as big as Tom. She's huge, man. When I got her last year, she was like half the size. Tom's still just a relatively big guy. He won't grow anymore. Look at little Tony. Little Tony the rooster. He's a cute little guy. They say he's a rooster from India. That's his breed. Yeah, man, that's what I do, guys. This is, every morning I'm doing this. Man, it's cold out here. I'm not gonna lie. It's freezing cold. See my dad over there? He's grabbing some hay, putting it in the ATV trailer there. And he's gonna go feed some other horses. A lot of the horses can't be together because they fight, they bicker, jealousy, stupidity. you know, just like politicians and human beings, same shit, man. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys like it, subscribe, and don't worry about leaving a comment about telling me to shave or keep the beard. I don't care. But anyways, guys, take care. Yeah.